Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to add folding and make different complicated parts. Let's go with just create a sketch, select front plane. Now, using a corner rectangle, in this video, we are going to make 2 meter by 1 meter tray with all four side folded angles. 2 meter, this side is 1 meter, and that's a basic rectangle. We go OK, sheet metal, create a base flange. Let's select what thickness do we want in this one. So let's go with, normally all these trays are very made out of very thin metal, mainly in stainless. So let's go make it in 1.5 mil thick stainless steel. For now, we are just considering 0.3 K factor. I'm not going to explain you what the K factor is right now. For that, I will have to make a new video, and please keep watching this series in which I'm going to explain what the K factor is. Go OK. Yeah, you can see small base flange, basic shape that we have right now. Now, let's fold it from all fold edges. So for that, we go for edge flange because we want to fold from the edges. Here, you put which edges do you want to fold. So that, 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 and that. We select all four edges. Angle 90, we can change the angle from here. For example, let's say 45. It will be like this. You can change it manually here. Let's go 90 for all of them. This area is to define how much gap do you want between the lines. So when you make the folding, so this gap between the line, let's go smaller, go 0.25, a little bit bigger, 0.5, which is much better. So when we do welding, we just have to weld this corner. In the flange length, we can decide what is the height that you want to keep in of all the sides. So let's go 100 mil. You can say it's shorter. Now this is the position. All these three are the position for the flange. So let me zoom in and we can see it properly. Okay. Now these two are outside to outside position. Now this 100, they are asking where is the 100 starting from. So if we say this, that means the 100 starts from this edge to the top of the edge. In this option, it starts from the back of the edge to the top of the edge. And in this option, that means when there is an intersection between two edges, it will select that distance as 100 mil. So for now, in general, 90% cases, they always use outside to outside dimensions. Same with this option, flange position. So where do you want this flange now? By default, or in many cases, this is for outside to outside. So that means 100 will be inside the final dimensions that we put in this tray. Now let's change it to this one. Now if we zoom in and we can see the difference. All these are different flange positions. So when there is a complicated flange of complicated edges, we can trim the side bands. So when one band is going over a straight flange, it will automatically trim that area to make a space for the band. Now we are happy and let's go. Now let's see what is the relief type here. When you fold this angle, we can have a different relief type depending on what we want the corner treatments on the corners. Let's go OK, and there it is. You have a nice 1 meter by 2 meter tray. Then you can just see how it will look flat. Just right click, create flatten. Here you can see a nice flat pattern of your tray. So this is the shape you are going to cut to achieve this desired shape. So let's see how this forming or press breaking work. So just for the sake of this, we are going to unfold everything and see how it will work. So this is the fixed face. We are going to fold this edge. Select the edge and go OK. So that's how then we change other edge and then other edge, and we can select all of the edge and it will be folded one by one by one. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing. I'm going to put some very valuable information down the line. If there is any specific topic you want to cover, please write in the comment. I will cover those area in few videos. Thank you.